The Moon. The last frontier that humanity has visited, but never stayed. For over 50 years, we've looked up at that glowing celestial body, dreaming of returning. And now, the time has come. The Artemis mission is set to ignite a new era of space exploration, one that will go beyond just visiting the Moon. This time, we're staying. Get ready for humanity's most daring journey yet. In 2024, NASA will launch its boldest, most ambitious space program in decades, the Artemis Mission. Named after Apollo's twin sister, Artemis will lead us back to the Moon. But this time, it's not just about planting flags. Artemis is about creating a permanent, sustainable presence on the Moon, turning our dreams of lunar colonies into reality. Unlike the Apollo missions, which were brief visits, Artemis is about laying the groundwork for the future. We're building the infrastructure for deep space exploration, testing cutting-edge technologies, and figuring out how we can live and thrive beyond Earth. This is the next giant leap for mankind. The Artemis program will unfold in a series of thrilling milestones, each one taking us closer to our lunar goal. First up, Artemis I, an uncrewed test mission that successfully launched in November 2022. The mission tested NASA's powerful new space launch system and the Orion spacecraft, demonstrating their ability to travel beyond Earth's orbit and return safely. Next is Artemis II, the first crewed mission, scheduled for 2025. Astronauts will orbit the Moon, testing everything they need for the lunar landing. Imagine the excitement, humans circling the Moon once again. And finally, Artemis III. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Astronauts will land near the Moon's south pole, where water ice could fuel humanity's future in space. The Moon will no longer be just a place to visit, it will be humanity's launchpad to the stars. But did you know that the Moon's south pole, where Artemis III will land, is one of the most exciting locations for scientific discovery? It's covered in permanently shadowed craters, where temperatures can drop to a bone-chilling 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 240 degrees Celsius. These extreme conditions have preserved ancient water ice for billions of years, ice that could provide vital resources for astronauts, like drinking water and rocket fuel. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Artemis is its focus on diversity. For the first time ever, the first woman and the first person of color will land on the Moon. This is about showing the world that space is for everyone, no matter who you are or where you come from. But that's just the beginning. The Lunar Gateway will be a cutting-edge space station orbiting the Moon, serving as a staging ground for future missions and a symbol of international cooperation. This is space exploration like never before, with a global partnership at its core. On the lunar surface, we'll deploy new technologies that will change the way we live and work in space. Imagine advanced lunar habitats, sustainable power systems, and new ways to extract resources from the Moon's surface. These technologies are not just for the Moon, they're stepping stones to human missions to Mars. Here's a little-known fact. The Lunar Gateway will be the first space station built entirely in space, far beyond Earth's atmosphere. It will be assembled piece by piece, with astronauts and robots working in tandem. The Gateway will not only support missions to the Moon but will also be a crucial platform for deeper space exploration, potentially serving as a launch point for missions to Mars. But the Artemis mission is about more than just the Moon. It's the next great step in humanity's journey to Mars. The technologies and lessons learned from Artemis will pave the way for human missions to the Red Planet. What we discover on the Moon will help us survive the challenges of deep space and make us ready for the ultimate journey to Mars. From extracting water from lunar ice to building habitats that can withstand the harsh conditions of space, every breakthrough brings us closer to making Mars a reality. This is not just a mission, it's a movement. Artemis is about inspiring the next generation of explorers. Imagine a young girl watching as the first woman steps onto the Moon. Picture a young boy dreaming of becoming the next astronaut who will journey to Mars. This is a mission that will spark the imagination of millions, ignite a passion for science and technology, and change the future for everyone. The Artemis program will create thousands of jobs, foster global collaboration, and unleash a new wave of innovation that will impact industries far beyond space. This is just the beginning of an era that will shape the world for generations to come. As we embark on this new era of space exploration, Artemis isn't just about returning to the moon. It's about setting the stage for humanity's future in the cosmos. It's the beginning of our journey to deep space, a journey that will unite nations, inspire dreamers, and change our understanding of what's possible. Did you know that by the time Artemis is fully operational, we may have permanent human habitats on the moon, a thriving space station orbiting the moon, and the technology ready to send us to Mars? The future of space exploration is just beginning, and Artemis is the key to unlocking it. Are you ready to be part of the next chapter in space history? Hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey to the moon and beyond. The adventure of a lifetime awaits.